You are going to love the 2007 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel drive, cruise control, bucket seats, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.